Look at these beauties. Hey everyone, Sergio with the RideShare Guy. That annoying trip radar where all trips go to die. Look at that. I mean, $3.70 for me to... This person should walk. It's going to take me 4 minutes to get to them. It's going to take me 1 minute to drop them off. How is this happening? Look at that. There's another one. 10 minutes for $3.80. Look at this trash. It's just garbage. Why? Uber? What is happening in this world? $3, $2, $4. We are driving cars, people. Anyway, I'm about to pick up my daughter at 5, so I'm not going to piss myself off. But, you know, I thought I'll just let it run for 5 minutes. Let's see what kind of garbage I'm going to face. Oh, there's another one. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, look at this one. All less than $10 for 23 minutes. See what I mean? When you guys go with dollars per mile in LA. Oh, there's one. There's a good one. I probably would take that one. Yeah, comfort trip. Going where? Oh my God, through the canyon. I'm just gonna let it run. Let's see what trips we get. What kind of box of chocolates we get. You know, Uber and Lyft driving is like Forrest Gump. Box of chocolates. I'm almost at my daughter's Cedars-Sinai Hospital. We'll see. We'll see what else we get. My cursor is not even showing. Is that a new thing? Oh, look at that one. $3.35. 10 minutes of driving for $3.35. I mean, what is happening? Annoying as hell. And my cursor is not even showing. God damn. How's this going for you guys? How's RideShare going? Did you guys have that heart-to-heart conversation with yourselves yet? About RideShare being... Oh, there it is. Oh, there's another one. $3.77. What? I'm gonna pick somebody up, drive somebody to their destination for $3.77. Aren't buses cheaper? I think buses are cheaper. Oh, there's another one. Da-da-dun. No incentives to do these, by the way. I have no quests, so I'm just letting you guys see what's happening in LA. 11 minutes of driving for $3.79. Okay, I mean, this is where we are in the RideShare game in Los Angeles. I don't know. I hope your city is a lot better than this, because this is not a financially feasible situation. As I said, my cursor is not even showing, so I'm not. I guess it's my day to collect the garbage today. I mean, it's laughable. Honest to God, it's laughable. $3, $2 for driving people around. I mean, what are you gonna do? You're either gonna cry or you're gonna laugh. Well, I choose to laugh. I don't know. I choose to laugh at myself. I choose to laugh at the passengers who are paying $10 for that $3.79 trip. I wish there was another company, right, that just kind of goes, you know what, we're going to charge a passenger 8 instead of 10, and we're going to give the driver minimum of 5, at least minimum of 5, because there is a healthy margin still left for ourselves here. You know what I mean? But hey, nobody's putting a gun to anybody's head to do this, right? You can delete the app. Oh, there's more. Look at that. It must be my day of $3 trips. I'm telling you, I'm not doing this. I didn't set this up. This is reality. 1 minute pickup, 5 minute drop off for $3.77. Now, I would do all of those if I had I don't know, 50 trips for $100 quest. Oh, there's a good one. That's a good one. That's going. Oh, actually, that would take me home. I would definitely do that trip. 100% I would do that trip, but you know, I'm here to pick up my daughter from Cedars-Sinai. She finished her 8-hour shift. The good girl that she is. Hey, I know one thing. I'm the only one that's going to be the rideshare driver in this family. So, with that said, please sign up to our free newsletter, www.therideshareguy.com. Watch us every Tuesday. 100th show coming up. 100th consecutive, actually not consecutive, but 100th show coming up on Tuesday. This coming Tuesday, we're going to let people on. We're going to have drinks, celebrate our 100th show of Show Me the Money Club. Me and Chris, what a roller coaster, what an adventure. Thank you for all your support. And with that said, join us Tuesday, 3 p.m. Pacific, 6 p.m. Eastern. Show Me the Money Club. You stay healthy and be safe. And of course, I will end this with another piece of garbage. $4.23 for 13 minutes. How can I make a living with that? You all be safe. Please be safe.